In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your phone number missing in iMessage. This is a frustrating situation that many have encountered, but don't worry, with a few simple steps, we can sort it out together. Let's start by checking your iMessage settings. First, pick up your iPhone and navigate to the Settings app. It's crucial to ensure that iMessage is correctly configured from the get-go. Once you're in the settings, head over to Apps and then to Messages. Here you'll want to tap on Send and Receive. Under the section you can be reached by iMessage at, make sure your phone number is selected. If it's not, simply tap on it to activate it. This ensures your phone number is associated correctly. Now moving on to our second step, we need to make sure your phone number is linked to your iCloud account. Again, from the settings menu, tap on your name at the top and then navigate to iCloud. Here, it's essential to verify that iCloud is turned on. This is vital because your contact information, including your phone number, should be in sync with iCloud to function properly. Ensure that contacts is set to sync here as well, so your data remains up to date across all your devices. Our third step involves resetting network settings, which could be the solution if iMessage still doesn't recognize your number. Go to Settings, choose General, then scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, select Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. Note that doing this will reset your Wi-Fi and cellular settings, so you might need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords afterward. However, this reset can resolve connection issues that might be interfering with iMessage. Next, let's check if your iOS is up to date. Running the latest software can iron out bugs that might be causing the issue with your phone number. Head to Settings, go into General, and then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Keeping your iOS current is critical for the smooth operation of all apps, including iMessage. Finally, if the problem persists despite trying all these fixes, it might be time to contact your carrier. There could be an issue on their end with how your phone number is registered with iMessage services. They'll be able to confirm if everything is set up correctly and offer further assistance if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your phone number missing in iMessage, ensuring all your messages are sent without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.